Hi, this is Elsie Kerns, and it's tomorrow night, Thursday, August the 23rd, 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. We're going to have our free August webinar with Women Healing Women and the World. So we're going to begin that webinar with this very easy, simple meditation. I am, and may I know the truth. May I see and hear the truth. May I speak the truth from my heart to all humanity. So this quick 1-minute meditation is something you can do anytime, and it helps to heighten our high sense perception because we're opening the crown, which connects us to the divine. We're working with the third eye area, which works with our clairvoyance and hearing, clairaudience. We're working with the lips and our voice, speaking, communicating with love and kindness from our heart to all humanity. We certainly need that today. So please come join me. Click the link below. Join us tomorrow night, August 23rd, 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 Pacific, 5 Mountain, and 6 Central Time. We're going to have Dr. Gail Von Konigan also on, and she's going to show us how to do a medicinal herb and talk about how the earth supports us. And I'm going to also talk about how easy color healing is that you can use yourself. So please come join us. Click that link. It's recorded for replay. Even if you can't make tomorrow night, you'll get the replay. Okay, I hope to see you then.